¡Ay, qué rico!
No, Mark, get back.
Snap out of it! Oh, I found you!
What are you doing up here?
I thought you might need some help.
Help? No, sir. When the one who creates everything by thinking heard my song, she stopped her thinking and gave me this amazing gift of fire. Look at it. Can you feel it? It's warm.
Whoa.
And so, the show will go on. Ow! My feathers! My feathers! Oh no! The fire! It's gone! I failed. I failed everyone.
You're wrong, Crow. You will not give up. You will do whatever you can. Make any sacrifice to save us.
You really think that?
No, that's what Skunk said. I figured you found someplace warm and were never coming back. But Skunk, she believes in you.
She does? All right, Crow. Let's see what you're really made of.
Yeah, well, whatever it is, it's flammable.
Crow! No! Come back!
No, don't do it, Crow.
Your feathers!
Are you crazy? Come on. Hey! My eye!
I am so cold. Look!
Hot! Whoa! Ow!
Whoa! What is it? It's so warm.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! I feel like myself again! Turtle's back! Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo! Hey, race you home! I win!
Hey, everybody!
Moth, you're okay!
I did not fly into the sun! And you should have seen Crow! Oh, he was like a... Wait, where did he go?
It's called... fire.
Crow? Are you okay?
Skunk? Is that you?
Crow, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You can't help it.
I'm not talking about that.
I like your smell. It's kind of earthy, you know, in a good way.
Really?
I should be the one to apologize. I've been a real jerk. Acting like I was better than you, and better than everyone. Well, looks like I got what I deserved.
You're not gonna stop singing, right?
I used to have perfect pitch.
Nobody's perfect.
Okay, Crow.
Now, let's see what you're really made of.
Oh, what's happening? Crow, your feathers. Look.
Whoa, my colors. They've been in there all along. The view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. The blues come round, they won't get me down. I can make it. What do you think?
I actually like your new voice. It's kinda earthy.
Yeah, you know, in a good way. Bravo, maestro! Hey, what'd you stop?
The view from the blue sky, it looks so good when you're up high. The blues come round, they won't get me down. I can make my escape. I'm not sly like a fox, don't bite like a flea. A grizzly would never run away from me. But think of all the things they could never see. It's better when you can fly.